welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Amol, and we are going to see today the Labs solution, that is a local administrator password solution. Labs basically, you will have a unique password on each machine, and it will has local administrator rights. So you can use this password in your organization to do or troubleshoot Windows endpoints. Basically, it gives you enhanced security, simplified management, and auditing and accountability. Labs provide detailed logs, allow you to track the password changes and maintain compliance with the security policies. Without wasting any time, let's dive into. As you can see on my screen, that is, I am in the Intune portal, and to set this labs, we need to go first in Azure Active Directory, the devices and the device settings, all devices, and then go to the device settings. And on that page at the bottom, you will see uh, this is the lab solution, that is enable Microsoft Entra local administrator password solution labs, and you need to turn this on. This is not the only settings that you need to do. This is the first setting that you need to do. And once you done enable this, or when you check the yes, save this, and then go to the Intune portal. Now, how to set this up? I'll walk you through everything. Since it takes little time, so I have done most of the things before this, before recording this video. So let me go, and to access the lab solution, you need to go to the Intune security portal, then go to the account protection, and then you need to create a Windows 10 platform and local admin password solution Windows Labs. This you need to select and then create. So as you can see that I have already created one policy, and I'll walk you through all the settings that I have created. So let's edit, and these are the settings that you need to provide or you need to set. So backup directory, backup the password in Azure AD only, because my company is cloud only. We do not have any presence locally. So yeah, so this is so backup the solution Azure AD, and as per your requirement, you can choose the other options too. Password age, how long this password is going to be going to stay without uh, rotating, right? So 7 days it will stay. When the new password is set, it will be stay there, same password will be there for next 7 days. Administrator account name, here is the fun. I am admin. This is a account that I have created already in the my local machine. If you don't want to set any custom username, then you can leave this blank. If you don't configure this, then what will happen, it will take a default administrator account and it will set the password for that. But you remember that all Windows 10 and Windows 11 machines comes with the local administrator account is in the disabled mode. So you need to turn that on, enable that account before you create this lapse policy. So otherwise, it will give you error, right? And if you want to set the custom username, then you need to have this name, but at the same time, you need to create the same user on the every machine with the local administrator rights, right? So for this, what I've done is I have a one PowerShell script which I executed on my machine, and it's basically the username I am admin, and I set the password 24, and it's created the username there. The password, this is kind of the temporary password. Anyways, when I set the labs policy, it's going to change. So that's the prerequisites when you're using uh, extra name or the other name, right? A different name than the local administrator account, right? Password complexity, I just for a demonstration, large letters, small small letters, right? So 2 letters, and the password length I have set to 14 character I need. Then this is a post authentication action. Is basically once your password is used, it time start. Then it takes 24 hours. It will not do anything, and after that it will reset the password. After the 24 hours, it will not do, sorry, once you see the password 24 hours, you can use that password. After that 24 hours, the password reset will happen and it will change the password. Okay, so you understood. I hope you understood. If you're not using the password, every 7 days it will keep changing the password, right? This is all these settings. Yeah, this is all. I done the settings. Let me cancel, and you can see once this is run, you will see it is success report, and I'll show you the how you can see the password now. So when you go to the device, I applied this policy, lab policy, to all devices. So I got a one device, and thanks to my IT admins, this device is in compliant state. And when you open the device and the device page, there is a local admin password, and you can see that show local administrator password, and you see that it's today's uh, May 3rd, and the 7 days we set to rotate the password to expire the password, right? So it's on the 10th May, the password is going to reset again. It's going to rotate the password. Okay, show local admin password, and you see the password is here. So we have set small and uppercase. So this is the 14-digit password that we see, and you can copy this password, log in with the account iamadmin with this password, do your troubleshooting, do whatever you want on the local machine, and this password will reset in next 24 hours. This password will get expire. So this is how the lab solution work. Very easy to set and very convenient. You don't have to use your global administrator accounts on each machine to troubleshoot anything or do any kind of task. So you can use this and this password. And this password is unique for each machine, so you don't have to worry about even storing the password. It's going to reset in next 24 hours. So yeah, this is all from this video. I hope you like this video, and if you have any question about this, please let me know. I am going to put that script to create a local account on each machine. That script I'm going to put in the description box, and let me know if you want to see how to enable local administrator accounts through the Intune configuration profile. So I'll create another video just to create one more video. I just need one topic. That's all. That's all from this video. Thank you and good night. It's now 1 a.m.